Este son con ide enacomputers.com otro video para ti hoy. Thank dog I'm not religious. I mean, thank fucking God that I don't use Microsoft Office. I don't know what's worse, a Christian or Microsoft Windows operating system. Just flip a coin. You know what I wouldn't want to debate that one. That is not a debate I would want to become involved. Nope. Which one is worse? Anyways, quick video. Cut to the chase. I started reinstalling Office 365 over 3 hours ago. The message, quote, "We're getting things ready," unquote, has been on the screen since then. Why is this taking so long? Well, because it's fucking Microsoft. Where have you been? Did you not receive the memos? You've been under a rock? Hiding somewhere? Oh, is it the Christianity that's fucked your brain? Oh, okay. I do have lots of disk space. It doesn't matter. Microsoft doesn't fucking care how much disk space you have. Microsoft Office 365 install does not care how much disk space you have. It does not. I tried the offline approach, which did not work. Well, the problem is Microsoft. That's the problem. Then I uninstalled Office 365 and started a reinstall. Okay. So this clown requested that I remotely connect. They could never. Please. For the dog, the Sirius star, Lucifer, the Eastern Star, Venus, the morning star, for fuck's sakes, please, somebody, before you ever touch a computer, run to your local community college and take a computer course, or Amazon.com. But you don't even know your login. You don't even know your Windows password. You don't even know your Apple ID password. I can't tell you how many fucking times these people that I have to help, they can't even download the remote software so I can remotely connect and fix their problem for them, which is ironic. Please take a goddamn fucking computer course before you ever touch a computer. Quickly, muy rápido. Could not remotely connect. That's not my fault. They couldn't fucking download the goddamn software with simple instructions. You know what I'm saying? All right. So I think my tips helped, because they responded back saying, "Oh, did you do something to my computer? Did you remotely connect?" I was like, well, no, because you couldn't install the goddamn fucking software. How could I remotely connect? Oh, but I'm religious. I prayed and poof, their computer worked. That's a typical Christian lunatic. All right. With Microsoft Windows and Microsoft Office, there's a process called one-click. Microsoft one-click. Total garbage. I've studied. It's supposed to make your applications faster. It runs in the background, and when you open like Excel or Outlook or Word or PowerPoint, it's supposed to make it quicker. It's supposed to make it open faster. Well, it does not necessarily. I don't know. I haven't researched it. I haven't tested it and sat there and no. But Microsoft One Click a lot of times causes problems. It freezes. It is slow. Also, it will spawn multiple versions of One Click. You'd be surprised. So what you can do on Microsoft, this was a Microsoft Windows 10 computer with Microsoft Windows 10 operating system installed or running. I know there's one YouTube shill. There's one YouTube technology shill that gets pissed off if you use this sentence. I'm running Windows 10. That's how sick these goddamn fucking Americans are, and that's why I avoid 98% of them, because a lot of them are fucking language Nazis. You know what I'm saying? All right, I digress. Back to this video. What you can do is go into Task Manager and see if Microsoft One Click is the culprit. And all of them, and every single one. You'd be sometimes I connect to a computer and there's like 10 of them running, and I end task on all of them. Go into Task Manager, right click the task, and then select End Task. Do that for all of them. Also, since this dealt with a Microsoft Office 365 installation that was running for 3 hours. Now, yes, Microsoft is slow as a turtle. It sucks. The tortoise versus the hare, you know what I'm saying? And then if you compound that with a slow internet connection, you are looking at fucking, watching paint dry, and you're mowing the lawn. Well, wait, you just mowed the lawn, and then you're an artist, and you're watching the paint dry on your painting, and you're also watching the blade of grass grow. That's how fucking slow. All right. So end the process. 3 hours, even for Microsoft. No. Now, Microsoft Office 365 installations are notoriously slow. I don't know any way around that except for, here's a clue. Here's a solution. Quit fucking using Microsoft Office. There's LibreOffice. Well, why pay for your problems? What? When you can get the problems for free. Although, in my opinion, there's might be less problems with LibreOffice, even though it's free. Although I'm not a hardcore Office user, but I very rarely have problems with LibreOffice. Although, like I said before, I don't need to sit here and into 3 a.m., the wee hours of the morning on a goddamn caffeine, twitching from the caffeine, twitching from Christianity, and I have my TPS reports that are due in on Monday, and I'm sitting there twitching at 3 a.m., and, no, I don't, no. All right, anyways. So that's all basically what I think probably fixed the problem. Because they responded back and said, did you do something to my computer? Did you remotely connect in while I was asleep? No, I did not. Because you couldn't fucking install the damn software. But, no, I didn't tell them that. You know why? Because you'll get a refund request. The customer's always right, Aaron. Well, goddammit, Aaron. We customers were always right. No, you're not. A lot of you customers are fucking liars. Oh, no. All right, I digress. Back to I'm done now. So, any other tips? That is a goal, in my opinion. That's kind of a fool's gold tip because it's not as prevalent. But Microsoft OneClick, I've noticed that ugly process does cause a lot of problems, and it does freeze up. And during the installation here's a tip. This to me is more of a gold tip. Before you ever use a computer, number one, go get a community college course for computers, Computer 100 or Computer 101. Do it. Don't even open the box. I know you can't wait to open the computer box. No. Take a beginning computer course first. Number two, reboot your computer. Before you ever perform a major, software install or a software upgrade or Windows updates or an operating system upgrade, close everything, restart the computer. That will clear out the virtual memory, the disk cache also, and just start kind of from new. Because all it takes is one process in the background that is frozen or slow or hanging, especially on micro slop, wind blows operating systems. That's my gold tip. You know what I'm saying? And then if you are able to rectify your problem with my tips, then now is a good time to check two system scans. Check disk and system file check should be part of your regular computer maintenance. You know what I'm saying? And then also a PC optimization tool. If you want to know what my preferred PC optimization tool is, click on the link in the description box below. That'll take you to my blog post on my website, ainotcomputers.com. Adios!